Hello, a pleasant good morning. This is an update from Mr. Wayne Marks, Lot 387, Phase 1, Mahogany Bay. The team of Mr. Saldivar are on site. They're currently working on the window and door trims. We also have the team working with the sheetrock installation for some remaining partition walls. Most of the window and door trims have been already installed. We also have some cabinets on site. And over this past few days, we've had the AC technician working on site with the AC units. All the AC units have been installed. Progress going well. This is an update from Mr. Wayne Marks, Lot 387, Phase 1, Mahogany Bay.